the draw for next year's Football World Cup took place last week, and with Jamaica still having a chance to qualify via the playoffs, most eyes were on Group K, with Portugal, Colombia, and Uzbekistan, and of course, the winner of the New Caledonia, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Reggae Boys playoff series. If we qualify from the playoff, that is the group Jamaica will be in. But of course, you all realize that this is like counting the proverbial chickens before they are hatched. Right now, Jamaica is further rather than nearer to qualifying for the World Cup. After the mother of all disappointments in that soup group, it's no more about cautious hope than excited optimism going into the qualifiers next March. So while hoping for the best, we are simply waiting on the chickens to hatch before we start counting those eggs.